arbitrationagreements.org. Hello there, lovely people. Today, let's dive deep into the world of alternative dispute resolution, particularly focusing on conciliation and who is generally responsible for bearing the costs. But before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. Now, this particular method of dispute resolution, known as conciliation, is gaining traction, and understanding the financial implications is kind of a big deal. When we think about conciliation, let's remember that it's a voluntary, flexible, confidential, and interest-based process. The parties seek to reach an amicable dispute resolution with the help of the conciliator, who acts as a neutral third party. So about who foots the bill, it's usually a bit different than going through the traditional court process. Let's delve right into it. In most cases, the costs of conciliation are shared equally among the parties involved. Yes, it's a shared responsibility, which often fosters a cooperative atmosphere right from the get-go. It kind of nudges everyone to work towards a mutually beneficial resolution, given that they are sharing the costs. Now, I know we are curious about the numbers. According to some data, the average cost of a civil lawsuit can range from $20,000 to $30,000. A significant amount, isn't it? Well, it turns out opting for conciliation can be a more economical choice. In fact, a substantial percentage of cases, let's say about 70 to 80%, get resolved through conciliation, which not only saves money but precious time as well. Sometimes businesses or individuals may even have clauses in their contracts that specify how the costs of conciliation will be divided if a dispute arises. It gives us an upfront clarity, avoiding any further disputes over, well, disputes. Remember, folks, the goal here is to reach a solution that is beneficial for all parties involved. By sharing the costs, we are fostering an environment where collaboration is encouraged and resolutions are reached faster and more amicably. So, when we consider stepping into a conciliation process, it's good to bear in mind the potential savings in terms of both time and money. It really is an option that has the interests of both parties at heart, promoting harmony and understanding rather than deepening the divide. Do you need more information about the basics of conciliation? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think of conciliation? Does it sound like a potential solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.